Question 1. When a member is subjected to an eccentric axial load, the resulting stresses are. The correct answer is direct stress and bending stress. Question 2. The maximum compressive stress at the base of a column with eccentricity, E, is given by. The correct answer is P divided by A 1 plus 6E divided by B. Question 3. For no tension condition in a rectangular section of width, B, the eccentricity, E, must be less than or equal to. The correct answer is B divided by 6. Question 4. The area within which the load must act so that there is no tension in the section is called. The correct answer is core or kernel. Question 5. The core of a solid circular section of diameter, D, is a circle of diameter. The correct answer is D divided by 4. Question 6. The core of a rectangular section is A. The correct answer is rhombus. Question 7. In a dam section, to avoid tension at the base, the resultant must pass through. The correct answer is the middle third of the base. Question 8. The limit of eccentricity for a hollow circular section, outer D, inner D, is. The correct answer is D to the power of 2 plus D to the power of 2 divided by 8D. Question 9. Slope at the support of a simply supported beam with central point load W is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 2 divided by 16 EI. Question 10. Maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with central point load W is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 3 divided by 48 EI. Question 11. Slope at the free end of a cantilever beam with point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 2 divided by 2 EI. Question 12. Deflection at the free end of a cantilever beam with point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 3 divided by 3 EI. Question 13. Maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with UDLW per unit length is. The correct answer is 5 small WL to the power of 4 divided by 384 EI. Question 14. Deflection at free end of a cantilever with UDLW is. The correct answer is small WL to the power of 4 divided by 8 EI. Question 15. Slope at the free end of a cantilever with UDLW is. The correct answer is small WL to the power of 3 divided by 6 EI. Question 16. Macaulay's method is best suited for. The correct answer is beams with discontinuous loading. Question 17. Moore's first theorem states that the change in slope between 2 points is equal to. The correct answer is area of M divided by EI. Diagram between those points. Question 18. Moore's second theorem gives the. The correct answer is intercept vertical distance of tangents. Question 19. In conjugate beam method, a fixed end in the real beam becomes. The correct answer is free end. Question 20. In conjugate beam method, a simple support end remains. The correct answer is simple support. Question 21. The bending moment at a section in the conjugate beam represents. The correct answer is deflection in the real beam. Question 22. The shear force at a section in the conjugate beam represents. The correct answer is slope in the real beam. Question 23. A beam fixed at both ends is statically indeterminate to degree. The correct answer is 3. General loading. Question 24. For a fixed beam with central point load W, the fixing moments at ends are. The correct answer is WL divided by 8. Question 25. For a fixed beam with UDLW, the fixing moments at ends are. The correct answer is small WL to the power of 2 divided by 12. Question 26. The deflection at the center of a fixed beam with central point load W is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 3 divided by 192 EI. Question 27. The deflection at the center of a fixed beam with UDLW is. The correct answer is small WL to the power of 4 divided by 384 EI. Question 28. Points of contraflexure in a fixed beam with UDL are located at. The correct answer is 0.211 L from supports. Question 29. A propped cantilever, one end fixed, one propped, is indeterminate to degree. The correct answer is 1. Question 30. Continuous beams are. The correct answer is statically indeterminate structures. Question 31. Clapeyron's three-moment theorem is applicable to. The correct answer is continuous beams. Question 32. In the three-moment equation, the term 6a divided by L represents. The correct answer is properties of the free bending moment diagram. Question 33. The number of independent equations required to solve a continuous beam with 3 supports using three-moment theorem is. The correct answer is 1. Question 34. A continuous beam with 3 spans has blank degrees of indeterminacy assuming vertical loads. The correct answer is 2. Question 35. Moment distribution method was developed by. The correct answer is Hardy-Cross. Question 36. In moment distribution method, the sum of distribution factors at a joint is. The correct answer is 1. Question 37. Stiffness factor for a member with far end fixed is. The correct answer is 4 EI divided by L. Question 38. Stiffness factor for a member with far end hinged is. The correct answer is 3 EI divided by L. Question 39. Carryover factor COF for a prismatic beam with far end fixed is. The correct answer is 1 divided by 2. Question 40. Carryover factor for a member with far end hinged is. The correct answer is 0. Question 41. Distribution factor DF for a member at a joint is. The correct answer is member stiffness divided by sum of stiffnesses at joint K divided by sigma K. Question 42. Relative stiffness is used when. The correct answer is EI is constant for all members, ratio of I divided by L. Question 43. In MDM, the first step is to calculate. The correct answer is fixed end moments. Question 44. Slope deflection method is A. The correct answer is displacement stiffness method. Question 45. Moment distribution method is A. The correct answer is iterative displacement method. Question 46. Sinking of support by delta induces a moment of blank in a fixed beam. The correct answer is minus 6 EI delta divided by L to the power of 2. Question 47. Euler's theory is applicable for. The correct answer is long columns. Question 48. The failure mode of a long column is. The correct answer is buckling. Question 49. The failure mode of a short column is. The correct answer is crushing. Question 50. Euler's critical load P for a column with both ends hinged is. The correct answer is pi to the power of 2ei divided by L to the power of 2. Question 51. Euler's critical load for a column with both ends fixed is. The correct answer is 4 pi to the power of 2ei divided by L to the power of 2. Question 52. Euler's critical load for one end fixed, one end free is. The correct answer is pi to the power of 2ei divided by 4L to the power of 2. Question 53. Euler's critical load for one end fixed, one end hinged is. The correct answer is 2 pi to the power of 2ei divided by L to the power of 2 approximately. Question 54. Effective length L for both ends hinged is. The correct answer is L. Question 55. Effective length L for both ends fixed is. The correct answer is L divided by 2. Question 56. Effective length L for one end fixed, one free is. The correct answer is 2L. Question 57. Effective length L for one end fixed, one hinged is. The correct answer is L divided by square root of 2, 0.707 L. Question 58. Slenderness ratio is defined as. The correct answer is effective length divided by least radius of gyration L divided by K. Question 59. Radius of gyration K is. The correct answer is square root of I divided by A. Question 60. Euler's formula fails if the stress exceeds. The correct answer is proportional limit divided by yield stress. Question 61. Rankin's formula is valid for. The correct answer is both short and long columns. Question 62. Rankin's formula for crippling load P is. The correct answer is 1 divided by P equals 1 divided by PC plus 1 divided by P. Question 63. The constant, A, in Rankin's formula depends on. The correct answer is material of the column. Question 64. Buckling load is blank, proportional to moment of inertia. The correct answer is directly. Question 65. The axis about which a column buckles is. The correct answer is the axis with minimum moment of inertia. Question 66. A column with circular section buckles. The correct answer is in any direction I is same. Question 67. The secant formula takes into account. The correct answer is eccentricity of loading. Question 68. Slope deflection equation relates moments to. The correct answer is rotations and settlement. Question 69. The term 2ei divided by L 2 theta A plus theta B appears in. The correct answer is slope deflection equation. Question 70. For a symmetrical portal frame with symmetrical loading, the sway is. The correct answer is 0. Question 71. Strain energy stored in a beam due to bending is given by. The correct answer is integral m to the power of 2 dx divided by 2ei. Question 72. Castigliano's second theorem is used for. The correct answer is finding redundant forces in indeterminate structures. Question 73. Static indeterminacy Ds of a rigid jointed plane frame is. The correct answer is 3 meters plus R3J. Question 74. Static indeterminacy of a pin-jointed plane truss is. The correct answer is M plus R2J. Question 75. Kinematic indeterminacy refers to. The correct answer is number of independent displacement components, degrees of freedom. Question 76. Unit load method is based on. The correct answer is principle of virtual work. Question 77. In moment distribution, if a moment m is applied at a joint, it is distributed among members in ratio of their. The correct answer is distribution factors. Question 78. Maxwell's reciprocal theorem relates. The correct answer is displacements at 2 points due to loads at those points. Question 79. Influence line diagram (ILD) represents. The correct answer is variation of a stress function, reaction, shear, moment due to a moving unit load. Question 80. Muller-Breslau principle is used to draw. The correct answer is influence lines for indeterminate structures. Question 81. The ordinate of ILD for support reaction at A is. The correct answer is 1 at A and 0 at other supports. Question 82. For a simply supported beam, the ILD for mid-span bending moment is A. The correct answer is triangle with peak L divided by 4. Question 83. Flexural rigidity is represented by. The correct answer is EI. Question 84. Axial rigidity is represented by. The correct answer is AE. Question 85. Torsional rigidity is represented by. The correct answer is GJ. Question 86. A linear arch is one where. The correct answer is bending moment is 0 everywhere. Question 87. Eddy's theorem is applicable to. The correct answer is arches. Question 88. A three-hinged arch is. The correct answer is statically determinate. Question 89. A two-hinged arch is. The correct answer is statically indeterminate, degree 1. Question 90. Horizontal thrust in a three-hinged semicircular arch with UDLW over entire span is. The correct answer is WR divided by 2. Question 91. Temperature rise in a three-hinged arch causes. The correct answer is no stress-free expansion allowance at crown. Question 92. Temperature rise in a two-hinged arch causes. The correct answer is horizontal thrust increase. Question 93. The carryover moment is blank, the applied moment if far end is fixed. The correct answer is half, same sign. Question 94. Deflection of a truss is often calculated using. The correct answer is unit load method, dummy load. Question 95. Williott-Moore diagram is a graphical method for. The correct answer is deflection of trusses. Question 96. A continuous beam with sinking support is best analyzed by. The correct answer is slope deflection or moment distribution. Question 97. Relative stiffness is. The correct answer is I divided by L for constant E. Question 98. Limit of proportionality is the point where. The correct answer is stress is directly proportional to strain. Question 99. Strain energy resilience is. The correct answer is recoverable energy. Question 100. The shape of the SFD for a simply supported beam with central point load is. The correct answer is two rectangles.